Hello, welcome to our acoustic guitar tutorial for the song Your Word by Hillsong. We're going to be breaking this song down in the original key of C. We're not going to be playing along with the recording, so if you need some context, just go back. We're going to link to that original in the description. Okay, the song starts out with an intro, and it starts on the A minor chord, and there's really not much acoustic guitar throughout the intro and the first verse. So if I were to play anything, it would probably either just be down strums, and the song has a really interesting rhythm to it. So just make sure you're listening to that original, so that you know where these parts apply. But I would just play down strums. Into the C, and that G suspended, and the G, and then that's going to bring you into verse 1, and it's kind of the same thing through verse 1. When you're playing this, you can choose to just do some down strums throughout the chord changes. So it would just be before the earth knew its foundation, you spoke the dust into creation until the end. When all has withered, then still your word will endure forever. So you could either do that, or if you wanted to add a little bit more, just depending on who you're playing with and the context you're in, you could do some picking. Just before the earth knew its foundation, you spoke the dust into creation until the end. All has withered, then still your word will endure forever. So this is going to bring us into the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus is just going to go back and forth from the F to the A minor. So the lamp unto my feet, the light unto my path. Alright guys, so that's going to bring us to the next part of the song, the chorus. And in the chorus, we're just going to kind of just down strum through those chords the first time we do that. The second time we do the chorus, we'll be in a little bit fuller strumming. But this first time, we'll just keep it very simple. So it's going to go start at the A minor, F, C, and then G. So your word will not be shaken, your word will never fail me, like a fire in my bones. From the F to the C, back to the G, like a whisper to my soul. And that's going to be the D minor. Your word is revelation. And then that's going to bring us back to verse 2. And it's just going to go right into verse 2. And then this is where I think you can pick it up and start adding a little bit of strumming in if you want. And you're going to basically be strumming similar to like if you were strumming in 6/8. The song's actually in 12/8, but it's gonna feel like a 6/8 strum. So it's going to be something like this. Deep calls to, and it'll start back on the G and then go into the A minor. So deep calls to deep, within your presence, F, and I hear you speak, C, my soul, the G suspended to the G, your spirit leads, back to the A minor, my heart to worship, that's the F, that your word reveals, the light of G suspended, Jesus, and then back to the pre-chorus. the lamp. Again, that F, A minor, F, unto my path. Oh. And then it's going to go back into the chorus. Now, the second time through this chorus, you can kind of build your dynamic a little bit and keep that strum going. So it's going to look a little bit like this. Your word will not be shaken. Your word will never fail me. Like a fire in my bones, like a whisper to my soul. Your word is revelation. Okay, so out of that second chorus, the song goes into a pretty long instrumental. You probably won't play the entire instrumental like it was recorded because it's a couple minutes long. But they just hold on the F and the C, and so when you're done playing the G out of the chorus, you're going to go to F, and then to the C, and probably do this twice or whatever your worship leader says. And then it's going to go right back into that chorus. So once you play through the instrumental, that's going to bring you back to the chorus, and you'll just play through the chorus big again. Just kind of a full strum, and the dynamic's going to be a little higher throughout that last time through. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial for the song Your Word. Again, go back to that original recording if you need any more reference for this. And if you need any other acoustic guitar tutorials, check us out at pursuegod.org/worship.